This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Fonseca. Welcome to Valencia Harbor, a premier 55-plus community with no CDD where luxury meets lifestyle in a setting designed for vibrant living. This Grenada floor plan is a truly unique home that will be ready for a September/October delivery. This exceptional 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with den and great room offers 2,470 square feet under air, a 3-car garage, all crafted with comfort and style in mind. From the moment you enter through the door into a spacious foyer, you'll appreciate the open concept floor plan, impact windows and doors, and upgraded paint throughout. The chef-inspired kitchen and baths feature elegant quartz countertops. The primary suite is a true retreat with 2 large walk-in closets and dual vanities. With tons of high-end upgrades already planned, this home is ready for a smooth and effortless transition. Nestled in a resort-style community with sparkling pools, a gourmet restaurant, racquet club with pro shop, and a full-time lifestyle director coordinating fitness classes, social events, and more, Valencia Harbor is not just a place to live, it's where the good life truly begins. Photos are of the model and for reference only. For more information, review the details below.